Very good evening. This is nutrition expert Aditya Khan, and I am here at a cricket match. So, guys, winter has almost come to an end. So we are suffering this winter. It's too chilled, and this is the ideal time to increase our metabolism. So if we talk about metabolism, then we should talk about diabetes. Yes, diabetes is not a disease. This is all about metabolic disorders. If we talk about diabetes, we should talk about our lifestyle modification, because alone medicine can't treatment diabetes. It should need the dietary modification, the therapeutic nutrition management diet chart. This medicines is definitely one of the biggest part, and also the exercises. So if we talk about the exercises, we should talk about a very vigorous exercises. So cricket, yes guys, this cricket match tonight, what is a lot of hilarious sound here and there you are getting from, is all about organized by a very leading diabetologist, Dr. Asif Nizam. Yes, Dr. Asif Nizam is a very good friend of mine, and Dr. Asif Nizam is a consultant of GG Diabetes Institute, and also he runs his own clinic, his Nizam's Clinic. Nizam's Clinic, guys, is about in Park Circus, but the latest news is Dr. Asif Nizam he is opening up his own clinic again at Mirza Ghalib Street. Is Nizam's Clinic. So Asif Nizam is such a person. He's a very genuine person. He's a very good touch, human-hearted patient listener, and he is about his practice life. He always listen to patients. The main thing is that you should about the patient care, patient listener. So Asif is a very good patient listener. He treats patients. He tries to treat patients well also. So guys, we do always support the Nizam Clinic, we do always support the Asif, and we always support the other medical representative, the pharmaceuticals friend, where Asif have organized for them, because we know the life story of a pharmaceutical friend. All the way, summer, winter, rainy season, they used to meet to call all the doctors. Okay, nobody think about them, but Dr. Asif is one of them who can think about our pharmaceuticals friends, who can organize a cricket match for our pharmaceuticals friends and their peer groups and their colleagues also. So we do support Asif Nizam, we do support this kind of activities, and also we do support the diabetes management, where cricket, where exercises, where lifestyle modification is one of the greatest parts to control diabetes. Because if we not think about diabetes, if we not think about diabetes management, because that will be not too far that our India will be the capital of diabetes. So diabetes can't treat alone. We all are treating diabetes to all the management. So guys, let's think about it also, and thank you so much Asif for inviting me this wonderful evening. It's such a wonderful evening, and I'm really thankful and privileged to being a part of this cricket match. Thank you.